When we start composing an email in Gmail, we only get about 1/3 of our computer screen. This really makes our writing difficult, especially if we had a lot to write. But we can easily expand the Gmail message box that many of us don't know. Hey, this is Nes again from Nes Tutorial. Today I will show you how to write Gmail messages in full screen mode with just some simple steps. To write Gmail messages in full screen from your PC, open any of your browser and sign into your Gmail account. After logging in, click Compose to start writing a new email. Gmail's email composition box will open. From the top right corner of the Gmail's message box, click on the double-sided arrow icon. And now the window will open in full screen and you will get the space to write your message. And to always open the Gmail's message box in full screen mode, click on the menu or 3 vertical dots at the bottom right of the Gmail's composition window, and from the pop-up menu that appears, click on the default to full screen. And from now on, every time you open the compose window, it will open in full screen mode. So this is all for today. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment box below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.